Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me here, Chige Natural Remedies. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. So guys, in this video I'm gonna share with you guys a smoothie that will melt down that belly fat. It will just take away the fat and just keep you in shape. This smoothie gonna cleanse your column and just make you to just look sexy. So if you want to keep in shape, if you just want to melt down that belly fat and keep in shape, just keep on watching. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you still waiting for? Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell so to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting much of your time, let's just dive into the video.
So the next thing we need is our pineapple. I'll just remove the hair. Pineapple is low in calories and refined carbs. It has bromelain, which aids in weight loss, fat reduction, and reduces bloating and digestion. It's also a good source of fiber and helps reduce appetite. It helps to reduce appetite. Whenever you are taking your pineapple, to just make you to eat less, it just reduce your appetite. So right now I'm gonna cut it.
There's a lot of benefits in this smoothie. You can never go wrong with this smoothie. This smoothie will just clean your column. It just clean, make you to just go to the restroom and just, take away all the waste products and just keep you in shape. This is a wonderful drink that you cannot go wrong with.
You can see I'm not cutting it, I'm just leaving the pineapple inside of the peel. So you can see I'm not cutting everything because I'm gonna use it for my weight loss drink. If you want to know how to do the weight loss drink with pineapple peel, I will drop the link on description below. Just click and watch. After watching that video, honestly, you will not throw your pineapple peel any longer. You not throw it away any longer. So right now I'm gonna add the pineapple peel inside the plate and I'll wash it and preserve it. I'll just wash it and just put it inside later and put it inside the freezer. So anytime I want to use it, I'll just pick it from the freezer. So stop throwing your pineapple peel away. Please, 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 please. So right now I'm gonna cut the quantity I'm going to use for this, which is this. That's the quantity I'm going to use for it. Straight to the plate. Please guys, if you are hearing noise, please just ignore that. It's just the spoon close to all that. This time the children used to play. This is their playtime, so that's why you are hearing me. Please just ignore that. So I'm gonna set it aside. So guys, the first thing I'm going to add is the lime juice. I'll just add it straight to the blender. I'll add the fiber. Then the second thing I'm gonna add is cucumber. So the third thing I'm gonna add is our pineapple. 1 cup of spinach. I'm gonna add 1 cup of water, but I'll add it a bit by bit so that it will crush it very well. And I'll blend. Right now, after crushing, I'm gonna add the remaining water. I'll blend.
And this drink is a brain booster, gonna boost your brain. So guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell so to be notified whenever I upload a new video.
So this is it. I'm gonna pour it straight to the cup. This smoothie will help you to lose weight, reset your metabolism, revive your skin from within, and a whole lot of more. Brain booster, it boosts the brain. So guys, this is just what you need. You don't even need anything. You know, when you drink it in the morning, let it be your morning routine. When you wake up in the morning, you drink it before eating. And even if you drink this smoothie, you're not gonna eat so fast. It will just, you know, your appetite to make you know to eat more. You'll be eating less. So yeah guys, here comes to the end of the video. Hope you guys love it, hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved one. Bye bye guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.